Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a meter flange command is discussed here. And guys, this lecture is a Solidworks lecture 4 is discussed here, and Solidworks sit metal design learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, one by one is all command is discussed here, and sit metal design sit metal command and use in SolidWorks. All command is one by one is discussed here, and this command is a meter flange. Okay, and meter flange command is very important and useful and helpful command and create a new design. This command is very useful and helpful. Okay guys, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and this flange point is discussed here. Okay, at first drawing a any simple geometry is a center rectangle is draw here, and also length. Okay, dimension. Okay, dimension is mentioned here. This is a 190. Okay, this is a 140. Okay, this is a correct. 130 is better. Okay, and exit. Okay, and use a base flange and create a sheet. Sheet is 2 millimeter thickness, and K factor value is 0.5, and 0.5 is a default value is setting here, and thickness is 2 millimeter. Okay, click OK. At first create a sheet, and background is white plane, and cartoon is apply here also. And okay, this is a, and copper is a better. Click, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking nice here. Okay, and meter flange command is a very important command, and some important point is discussed here. This adds a series of flanges to one or more edge of sheet metal parts. Then a sheet metal parts of edges. This at first create a parts, any parts, then this parts is a more than one or other edge select here. Okay, and then at first click a meter flange. Okay, select a plane, a planar face, a edge. This face is select here. Okay, and click a normal. This is a correct, and draw a simple geometry is drawing here. This is a, this point is a this, and this is a this, and this is a correct. Okay, and this plane and this line is a equal. Okay, this line, select this line and press a control button, and this line is a click, this is a equal. Okay, and this line is a variable. Okay, select this is a 35 is correct. Okay, and this is a 30 is correct. This length is 30, and this length is okay, this is a perfect. And click this exit. Okay, and this body is created here. Okay, this is a looking nice. Okay, and also flange positions is you can see here easily. Flange position is a, this position is a material inside, because you can see here looking perfect. And this is a material outside. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a bend outside. Okay, this is a looking perfect. bend outside, okay, and trim, see, and trim side bend. Click here, and this is a, okay, uncheck. And gap distance, gap is a some later is discussed here. Gap is discuss sometime later, okay. And this increase a start end offset, means this length, this is a increase, and this is a, this length is also this is a perfect, okay. This is a looking so nice, okay. Okay, this is 0, and also this is 0, okay, perfect, all is correct, click okay. So nice looking here, okay. Click here, edit, and okay, this is a, okay, this is a adds a series of flanges to one or more edge. Then click other edge point is select here, and this is a other is select here. This is a perfect looking so nice. Click okay. This is a perfect, okay. Okay, one point is discussed here is a, this is a edit point, and some is a gap. Gap distance is also increase and decrease. This is a gap is very little, but this gap distance is a increase and decrease. This is a 2 millimeter. This gap is very large, okay. Also increase 4 is, the gap is very large, okay, but 0.10 is a very little. This is a correct, okay. 0.25 is a default value is setting here, okay. This is a correct. Gap is very little, okay. This is a perfect, and color is also change here, okay. This is a, okay, cartoon is apply here, okay. This is a, okay, okay. Looking so nice, and this face is also create a, also, okay, draw a some circle is drawing here. This is a, this circle, and one is also, this is a, this circle, okay. And line is a drawing this point to this, and also a line is drawing here this point to this, okay. And exit, okay, 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 exit. This is a, okay. And use a bent, and bent is a select a boundary is select this, okay, okay. And this point is ribs is a this, and a spares is a this to this, okay. And also mention here fill in the boundary, means click a this, okay. This is a fill in the boundary, okay. And this is a perfect, but click here, this is a correct, and this is a 4 is better, and also 6 is correct, and click okay. Looking so nice is, okay. This is a perfect looking, this body is looking so nice. Okay, okay, this is a correct looking here. Okay, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, and guys, next command is discuss. Guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.